I'm disappointed. We are chilling inside Didi, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. It's been pretty cool ever since we added the floor. You know, I just ate some lunch in here. The floor being unfinished is bothering me a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and finish that now. I think we're gonna go like this. And then like this. And we'll cut along the seam. I can't be more happy with this grip tape stuff. It works really well. I was making like a U-turn with a pizza in here and it didn't slide at all. So, and like you can see I put some pressure on this. Like that's how much pressure it takes before it starts sliding, which is awesome. I'm slightly miffed about this, but you know, maybe we'll just straighten it out or cut the board, or I don't know. It looks great though. I'm very happy overall. Now we got to start working on some other things like tent and get those little windshields so we can crack the window. So here's what we've come up with. We've got some grip tape here. We're gonna need to get some more, but this stuff's a little expensive, so we'll get it later. Probably one more roll should do it for us. We put some laminate there for the trap door. This is our office area. So if you want to check out the floor plan, we have the bedroom, the office, our living space, and then this is our storage area. I'm hoping to get the tire underneath here, even if we have to cut that out. I was gonna paint these more, like sand them and stuff, and paint them more. I don't think I'm going to. We're just gonna put them in the car. They're not gonna be beautiful. They're just gonna be what they are. So, yeah. So I did have to take this one off, but we've got it in now. So this here has to slot into this thing up here. And then this part goes down there. And then the blue clips just slam into the holes. So I've been in here for, I would say like a couple hours. And this light is killing me. I don't know if you can see it. But it's just like a street light or whatever, but it's just telling me that I need tent for sure. That's like number one, or something to block the windows. But I mean, this is why we do this, right? We're testing, figuring it out. I'm pretty comfortable in the car. I've been doing different positions and stuff, and I feel like once I get a pillow and other things like that, it would be way more comfortable. So what we need to cut out is that. So we finally got to the point where hitting this knocked off this weld. So I'm hoping I can. Yeah. All right, so that's out. Let's see if the tire fits. It's not gonna work. Okay, I just got done vacuuming this whole thing. It looks really nice now. I've just been kind of deciding what exactly we're gonna do. And I think the simplest way is just to add another 2x4 here to bump it up 2 inches. Make this come across 2x4, 2x4, and then that'll give us, 2 inches above there, which really won't affect much. I mean,
and then it'll lift this to where the tire will fit, and I think that should be good. Hopefully that works. During this process, we're probably going to shift the... Do we have any space to shift? We might shift like an inch over to the left, so that way the battery will fit here. Then if we end up doing that, we may as well modify it to fit the battery. Okay, I was being lazy and I didn't want to have to cut these, so I just bought a 2x4 and had them cut them 2 feet each. I know that's not what our box is, but we might have to adjust our box anyways, so I'm gonna start with removing the hinges, and then just kind of seeing what and then putting the tire in and seeing like what we actually need to do. Oh no, drama! If this falls, then we're ruined. I think something like this is a good idea anyways, to make it, that way it's not going to be dependent on this beam anymore. Obviously more length across will make it stronger, but okay. And then we can slide the other one in if I don't destroy my camera in the process. All right, let's see if we can get this, how much space we actually need for this in here. Okay. I guess the question is 2 2x4s tall enough? Okay, so yeah, it is enough space. So these were the legs. I think they're slightly longer, just slightly, but they're basically 2 feet, I guess. So do we have enough of this then? I think so, right? Because we would need 2 more, and there's 2 over there. So this might be a really dumb idea, but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use these plates here to mate the 2x4s together. So this will give us the height we're looking for, hopefully without any real drama. Look, now what we're dealing with is we're probably not gonna have enough width to clear the tire. Two feet should be enough to clear the tire. That's what it's looking like from here, at least. So that's 2 feet, 2 feet. You know, we're not on this edge anymore, but that gives us the space we wanted for the battery anyways. I'm pretty sure I'll actually have to double check that. All right, here's what I came up with. We'll make a box like that, then we'll connect that box to the bottom of here, and then that's the holster for the battery. That board on top. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That gives us quite a bit of room on this side too. This fits the tools in. Yeah, I think this is pretty nice. We need the angle bracket stuff though. I saw them at the Lowe's we were at, but they were sold out. But I saw the picture for them, so we're gonna try another Lowe's.